Good morning, everyone. It is Saturday. We're slowly making progress here in the shop. We've got some bodywork stuff going on. Hoping to have some color on the truck again this afternoon. Got some work going on the back end. Got everything welded up last night. Real quick, though, I want to talk about something else. May 2nd, May 3rd, Cruise for a Cure. We are going from Hartford Fairgrounds. We're going up to Toledo. We're going to the speed shop in Toledo, Ohio. Next, we're going to stay there that night, have a great time, have a big event. They're putting on a massive, they're going to be food trucks, DJ, all kinds of stuff going on, car show. We're even talking about doing a nighttime cruise with everyone who shows up for the car show. It is going to be a great event. It's Cruise for a Cure. It's coming to Hartford Fairgrounds, where we're starting off and where we're going to end Sunday night, because we're staying in Toledo/Maumee Saturday night, and then turn around and we're getting up the next morning. We're going to cruise up to Port Clinton, see the Port Clinton Lighthouse, get some photos of everything with that. And then we're going to cruise down to the Mansfield Reformatory. There is a link in my description. Go down, click on the link, find it. Find Corey Butcher or We Broke Garage on Facebook, YouTube. Corey is the one who's putting this event on. You can find the event page on Corey's Facebook. You can find the event page on my Facebook. If you go to thefote.com, type in Cruise for the Cure, you can find it on there. You can get tickets. It's $75 per car and one driver, $25 per co-pilot. Okay. It's a great event. You're going to get a windshield banner. You're going to get a t-shirt. We're going to go to the Millbury Car and Truck Museum. That's going to be really cool. We're going to have like a cars and coffee type deal there on Sunday morning. Guys, this event's got so much in it. For $100, you and your lady, there's going to be tons. I'm bringing my wife. Corey's taking his wife. She's actually driving her own car. Kenzie's going to cruise along with me. But grab your old lady, hop in the car, motorcycle, minivans, whatever you guys feel like driving, okay? It's open to everyone. Motorcycles, imports, daily drivers, minivans. If you can make it to this event, it is going to be a fun event, okay? Please get on, sign up. Let's go for this cruise. Let's have a fun weekend that weekend. May 2nd, May 3rd, okay? All my information, all Corey's information is going to be in the description for this video. Get on, check it out. We'll have fun.